In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade options on Deribit. So whether you're a beginner or exploring the world of crypto options or an experienced trader, this guide will help you understand the steps to start trading effectively. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Deribit. So make sure you are logged in using your credential and ensure your account is funded with Bitcoin or BTC or Ethereum, as these are required to trade options. So on the dashboard, when you scroll down, you will see here the assets or your assets. So in here, you will see a different coin in here, and then for the price and the net asset value and the action button. So in here, to start trading, just simply click this trade button and then select an asset in here that you want to trade in. So it is important to have a balance in here. So make sure you have a balance in Deribit. So you can also click this if you want to see the Bitcoin page in order to analyze if you want to buy this asset or if you want to trade in it. So click on that. For example, just assumingly, to give you all an example, I'm just going to click this BTC/USDC. And then as you can see in here, so in here, you will see the full spot of your assets or the coin that you click. So you will see here the option wizard. So first, let's understand the options interface. So the options page displays key information like strike prices, expiration dates, and premium prices for both calls and puts. Then familiarize yourself with the layout, including the order book, charts, and trading panel. So decide whether you want to trade a call option or betting the price will go up, and then or a put option if the betting the price will go down. To select the option contract on the underlying asset, expiration date, and strike price that aligns with your strategy. Now, to place your order, just simply click on the specific options contract you want to trade, and this will open the order placement panel. You can choose your order type. You can choose limit order to specify the price of which you want to buy or sell. You can also choose the market order if you want to execute the trade instantly at the current market price. Now enter the quantity or number of contracts you want to trade and then review the total cost or premium required for the trade. After that, double check all the details including the contract specifications, order type, and quantity. And after that, you can click on the place order to execute the trade. And now, after executing the trade, go to the positions or portfolio sections to track your active options contracts. So here you can monitor details like unrealized profit and loss, and then contract expirations and margin requirements. If you want to exit a trade before expiration, you can navigate your position and choose the options to close it. You can close using a market order for instant executions or a limit order to set your desired price. And that's it. To understand risk management, its options trading involves leverage and carries risk. And ensure you're managing your position sizes and using stop loss orders if needed. And that's it. That's how you trade options on Deribit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.